Reaching the summit of a mountain gives great satisfaction, but nothing for me has been more rewarding in life than the result of our climb on Everest. Sir Edmund Hillary, first man to climb Everest. A helicopter flight over the Himalayas is a unique and adventurous way to see the mountains as you gain access to areas that traditional flights and trekkers cannot access. Come face to face with the tremendous peak of the Himalayan giants as you view untouched slopes of ice and scenery on your flight. The perfect way to explore Nepal with your friends or family. We can even design a flight just for you. Everest Encounter is the highlighted helicopter tour in Nepal for a once-in-a-lifetime close-up view of the world's largest mountain. We fly from Kathmandu over the mountains of Nagarkot, Dolalkat, Harikot, Jirilamyura and Junbezi before arriving in Lukla, the town that serves as the gateway to Everest. From Lukla we continue over the famous Namche Bazar and admire wonderful views of the Gokyo Valley and the peaceful Gokyo Lake chain before continuing to show you Amadablam, Tamserku, Lhotse, Nubtse and Everest for a face-to-face look at the world's tallest mountains. Our return takes us over to Tengboche Monastery, offering time for a visit to see the lives of the local monks who have dwelled in the Himalayas for centuries. Your short flight incorporates all aspects of local culture, customs and lifestyles of the Sherpa people. Passing along the foothills of Everest by the helicopter is the excellent way to explore the region without having to travel at high altitudes. You will pass through the classic monastery road to Tengpoche, which offers stunning panoramic views of the Himalayan giants, including the best views of Amadablam, known as the Matterhorn of Khumbu. This tour is perfect for adventure seekers or those who prefer to visualize the beauty of Everest and the mystery and spiritualism of the Khumbu people. There are mountains, and then there is Everest. Mount Everest is world-renowned as for its sheer size, priceless views, and untouched terrain that has called to generations of trekkers looking for the ultimate challenge. Unknown to most is the delicate scenery and wide range to indigenous flora and fauna which call Everest home. In summary, the Everest tour is one of the world's most popular for a reason.